what's going on? So today we got a video from Police Watch, and the title of the video is Woman Strips Naked After Causing Brutal Multi-Car Crash. All right, so let's get into the video. Let's see what they actually talking about here, man. Hopefully this is going to be a good one.
So you have 3 cars damaged. This one, this one, this one. I don't have any more. I don't care what you say.
I command you to give me.
On April 17, 2024, a wild scene unfolded after a woman crashed into multiple cars, then got naked on the highway.
He's okay for the most part, but the lady up there that looks like caused the accident has kind of lost her mind as she's stripping down her skippies in the video. Okay.
Weaver, do you need me to help you handcuff her? I'll be right back. 140's out with 216, and we're in front of Interfaces Technology.
I will put you to the ground. Try it again. Try it again. You're going to jail.
I'm telling you right now, you gotta
stop.
Listen, one thing about a female officer and dealing with a female, she is not playing with you. She gonna get you together. She gonna get you right. What? If it's a female officer and then a female, you know what I'm saying? She gonna get you straight real quick.
You better stop. You're gonna
Don't be playing with them female cops now.
Watch your...
You wanna act silly? They gonna get you right.
Taser deployed.
What was that fun? Was that fun?
We got battery LEO.
So good evening.
You done?
Are you done?
With no fear.
Get her in the car. She acts up, we'll give it to her again.
Stand up.
Stand up.
I'll drag you. Fuck it.
Okay.
Wait. Can I have some water?
Yeah, and we'll give you water in a minute.
Can I have it right now? I'm really thirsty.
I'm really thirsty too. I don't have anything. I don't have any water.
You.
I don't care what you say.
I command you to give me.
I'm done talking to her. Hang tight.
You can have my body,
Okay. Hang
but you
tight.
cannot have my soul.
Okay.
You cannot have my mind, because it's already been saved. I've been forgiven.
All
Oh
right.
yeah, she cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs.
Hi.
Alright, so you're still attached?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's off. She's got a little knot on her head because she went to the ground.
Oh, okay.
Then she fought us, and then we tased her. It's off though.
Okay.
Just watch her, dude. I don't trust her. Yeah, there's no talking to her.
Oh, okay.
She stopped here, and then we had to fight her.
Oh, really? Probes, or is that you guys' business? No,
I handle that.
I know what to do with this.
No, as long as it ain't in her private area. Stop. Would you please? Or you're gonna get tased again. Don't you understand? Okay.
We're going to get back to the video in just 1 second, but first I want to tell you that my YouTube mentorship program is now open. That means I'm going to help you grow your YouTube channel from 0 to monetization. That means that you will be able to start earning money on YouTube, whether you want to do this full-time or you want to do it part-time just to have a little side money. Who doesn't like side money? I don't know who. It comes with a course, private access to me to ask me any questions or anything like that you need, and a bunch of different other stuff. Click the link in the description and sign up today. It's only $30. That's $1 a day. Back to the video.
I don't understand.
Okay. Well,
Can I get out?
you're not getting up. Stay in the car.
I can't tell. Nope, talking to me normal. Oh,
Weaver,
she was late for the airport.
you want a seatbelt her in?
Oh, there you go.
The seatbelt's stuck. It's not going. Hang on with that thing.
Behind me at Barton, about 100 miles an hour.
Yo,
Red the red light.
it smashed everything.
I know. Can we get a?
Snowbird cars are all smashed in their parking lot. Her vehicle's in the fast lane, southbound lane. It's all smashed up. I don't think it'll move.
That looks
185.
crazy.
I'm just gonna pull her car. I'll try to get it to the side of the road.
Any pants or anything or no?
Yeah.
Just stay by your car with her. How's it going? What's that?
Is I taking a blue Civic wreck?
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah. You involved anyway?
I called probably 15, 20 minutes ago and reported that it hit me on the side. And
Okay.
I was waiting at
Where
Ashley's.
You were in Rockledge or in Cocoa?
Rockledge.
Okay.
Right in front of me.
Hey. All right, hang tight. I'll get with you in 1 second. Thanks for stopping. Yeah, this chick, she crashed up there.
I just heard from the fire rescue.
She just got tased, so she's going to the hospital to get cleared, and yeah.
So how we doing?
Good. Glad I went up there.
Yeah, everything okay now?
Oh, I tased her.
Oh.
So she like that.
Yeah, she's...
Do you need to get out of here?
I don't know. You guys need some more support, or you guys?
No, I'll try to get I'll try to get everything out of the road if you need to jet.
Yeah, actually that'd be great. But
You have a card?
So yeah. I do.
Did you see this, or
Yes.
you were involved, or just saw it?
I just saw it.
Okay. Just give me 1 second. I'll get your name and phone number and stuff, and then if you have to leave.
Okay.
All right, who's involved? All right, bud, what's going on with you?
Hi, how you doing?
What's going on?
I'm good.
This is your lot. Okay.
So this is a car lot, man. His insurance company ain't gonna like this, boy. Golly. So she smashed into the mad cars that, oh boy. I know he's sick. Look at the look on his face. He's sick right now. You gotta make that call to your insurance company, boy. Golly, because of some bimbo, some idiot. You know what I mean?
That's my dad.
All right, hang tight. Who are you?
Witness.
A witness. All right, give me 1 second. You're the driver.
Yes, sir.
All right. You all right?
Yeah.
You want fire rescue before they dip out on us?
No, my wife's coming to pick me up.
You sure?
Yeah.
It ain't gonna cost you to get looked at.
I'm
Okay.
good. For now.
Thank you. You so appreciate your help, man. For real.
Yeah, no worries, man.
Yeah.
Just
I'm
rolled
short
up.
today, man. It's out of control.
Yeah. No,
So-
anytime we can help out. So. But yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, man. So, where were you at when this happened?
In the left lane, just driving, and
You were by park right here.
yeah, because these are my tracks right there.
Okay, so you were back here, probably in between the median. And what happened? She hit you?
Yeah, I didn't see her come.
She just plowed you and sent you into here.
Yes.
Okay. So this Mustang and this white car are for the dealer, right? These two cars are yours? Okay. And you're a witness. What did you see?
So I was in the right lane. She came flying up to like the median area,
In the median?
like trying to pass people.
Okay.
And then I saw dust flap, so that means she was in the grass.
So she was in the grass, probably came out of the grass, hit this
And she
dude,
had her brake lights were on whenever she hit, and it just kicked his rear end a little bit,
and sent him.
this way. And then I didn't watch her. I got med kit in the car, so I was just making sure he was cool.
I appreciate it. You have a card or anything?
No, because my Jeep's getting worked on with all my business cards in it.
What's your first name?
Dylan, D-Y-L-A-N.
Hey,
Pretty good.
how are you?
Good, how are you?
Good. So, what did we see?
I saw her, I was in the left-hand lane.
The inside lane?
Correct.
Okay.
And she was in the turning lane, and she flew by me and cut in front of the car that was in front of me.
So where that lane ends back by the median, she was in that far inside?
Yeah.
So she must have went flying, hit the grass, you said, passing cars?
Yep, hit the grass, and then clipped him in the...
Send him in here.
Yep.
Okay. All right, shoot.
But she went flying by me.
Well, she crashed cars in Cocoa.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yeah. So she's fighting us up there, and yeah. So she got probes in her leg, and now she's going to the hospital.
Well, nobody got hurt, did they?
No.
Okay.
I mean, this guy's shaken up.
Yeah.
He's holding it together. Wrecked his truck. These people have 3 wrecked cars.
Yeah.
So, all right.
All right.
I'll call you. This is a good number for you.
That's her butt.
Man, Man, way to ruin someone's day, man. Wrecking somebody's vehicle, man. A lot of times people only have one car. You know what I mean? And that's their means of transportation and stuff like that. And now, yeah, it's one thing if you wreck your own vehicle, like if you cause the accident, but when somebody else hits you, it really infuriates you. Honestly, like I mean, I've been in accidents, where I've been hit and stuff like that, and it's like it just ruins your day. Like honestly, it just completely ruins it.
Somebody's. So you have 3 cars damaged. This one, this one, this one.
Wires, lights.
Yeah. Well, we'll get to all that. We'll get to how much more you got. I'm gonna get this towed out of your way, and we'll come up with some kind of. If you have a piece of paper, start documenting what you think, because I'm telling you that car's probably totaled.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah. I mean, you probably know better than me. So start a little total for me. Yeah. You're not a witness. She smashed into your car.
She clipped the side and clipped the mirror off back by the hospital. And I called Ben and I was waiting at Ashley's.
So you were by Longwood or in front of Ashley's? Or?
Right before the light was going to the hospital.
All right, so you were just north of Longwood.
Yes.
She was out there, dude. Somebody said she was going 100 and something.
Okay.
You feel sick or injured? I'm saying, wait, if you do, I'm going to give you a piece of this paper, and you take it to the doctor or hospital, use the case report number on it. All right? If you want to hang out in your truck and wait, you got to give me 1 second. That's it. Thanks, bud. It's crazy, man.
That's a nightmare paperwork that he got to do, honestly. Like, because it's so many. That's the worst thing about paperwork, and I don't know because I'm not a cop, but if going based off corrections or whatever, it makes the paperwork a whole lot worse when there's multiple people involved. Like, it's just a long, drawn out process and everyone's story and getting it together, and it's just, oh, man.
You sure you're all right? You could sit, dude. Give me 1 second. I'll give you a piece of paper. The wife?
Yes.
Thanks for coming. I told your husband if he's sick or injured, because right now, I don't know the guy, but he looks a little shaken up, like, what the hell just happened?
Yeah.
This started in Cocoa. Like, this girl smashed into cars in Cocoa on US 1.
So
She passed a guy at like 100, hit the back end of a pickup truck by Longwood. Thank God your husband can drive and has a truck and was able to steer and the best he could, but you see where he's at. She went up there, took her clothes off, fought the police, beat me in the out. She got tased, so she's at the hospital. But I'm going to give you.
I'm assuming?
She's arrested for sure.
Okay.
So, sick or injured, doctor, hospital will be a case report number. All right, I'm telling you too, in case you don't remember. Sorry.
Yeah, I'm probably going to take him to the hospital.
Yeah. I'm just glad your father, your workers, nobody was here and got freaking killed.
I'm going in there to open the office door. I was like, what the hell are these people doing in the loft? So I came here.
You know how these cases go. You know how these cases gonna go. Let's see what her charges were. Leaving scene of a crash, reckless driving, resisting arrest. You know how they gonna do. 90 days in jail. That's what she gonna get. 90 days in jail. You can't make this stuff up, man. I'm telling you, they get no time. No time. It's like people come out and cause a whole scene, a ruckus and everything, and literally they get no time most of the time. It absolutely makes zero sense. I wish, sometimes we could get stiffer punishments and stuff like that. Now, I don't know what she is going to get sentenced to, but I'm just saying, most of the time, they don't get no time for nothing. There's no accountability nowadays. Zero. So, you know how we do at the end. Let's see here. What do we rate the officers? How well did the officers do? Comment your rating below. 1 is poor, 2 unsatisfactory, 3 satisfactory, 4 very satisfied, and 5 outstanding. I'm gonna give them 5 outstanding. You know why? Because this is a big case. Like, there's multiple locations of where this incident occurred. This guy, is fighting with her. He's doing a good job getting everyone's information, everyone's stories together. I mean, this guy probably been sitting there doing paperwork he definitely got some overtime for this. I'm telling you, definitely. This is one of them cases that he probably like, damn, babe, I'll be home late today, babe. You know what I'm saying? It's one of those scenarios. But I'm giving them a 5. You guys let me know in the comment section what you think that they actually deserve. Okay, how well did the officers do?
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam, 2K shit that get a nigga lean.